Namaskar, my name is Jyoti Saxena. I am from Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. A very warm and pleasant good morning to everyone. First of all, I want to thank our respected mentor, Mr. Deepak sir, for giving me such a beautiful opportunity to stand here and to express my views about the topic. Are we actually independent or not? So it is a very good topic given by respected sir. So I am starting to express my views over this topic. Every Because we are human being and every man and woman want that they got freedom and they live freely. So independent is very good. Independent, to be independent is very good for everyone. But in the other hand, we take it otherwise meaning. Sometimes we take it otherwise meaning. So first of all, it is very necessary to know about the what is the importance of to be independent and what is the meaning of independent. So independent. A man and woman, a human being, if they are not pressed by, they are not controlled by anyone, they can't. In actually, they think that they are independent and they live happy life. But in the real life, when we came in the real life, and we see that in the real life, if we are independent, then we are in actual ways we are not happy. What is the reason? What is the behind of it? So that is the reason is this. In actually we presenting here that we are in actually we got freedom, we are independent, but in the real sense, in the sense of our mentality, in the sense of our moral values, we are nowadays independent to others because we got our moral values from the foreign countries, because we are independent to our networking sources. In the past time, in the ancient time, you can see that if we be missing something, if we want to learn something, then we open the book, then we want to talk with each other. But in the present time, if we are missing something, if we have a need to know something, then first of all take your mobile and go to the Google. So we are fully depend upon the networks, upon the network sources, Our Indian Constitution give us to right to fundamental rights. In the Article 12 to 35, we all have, even either it may men or women, doesn't matter, we all have fundamental rights. But if after having the fundamental rights, it is also pressed by the law. So what is the reason it is pressed by the law? Because if we think that we are independent, then we uses our mentality to other things, to use our freedom in the adverse thinking. So there is a necessity of law. So if our Indian Constitution give us right to freedom, right to speak anywhere, right to live anywhere, that is also pressed by the law. So in the other hand, we can say that we are in actual free, we are in actual independent, but in the real sense we are still dependent to our mentality, because we are not able to think over himself or herself. We are totally dependent upon the others. The biggest reason is here, because we are criticizing our Indian culture and adopt our foreign culture. So we have taken otherwise means of independent. There they got freedom by birth, but here we got freedom by our Indian Constitution. After getting freedom, we do everything. We want to do everything and think that everything is right. So it is the biggest problem of us. We are totally dependent to another. So we think so that we are independent, but in the real sense we are no. Thank you.